Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series guys, I'm talking about the 3 Series from year 2005 to year 2013, and you're trying guys to find where your map sensor is located or how to replace the map sensor, stay with us and we'll cover that today guys. This is the one that we'll be demonstrating also. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder guys, gasoline engine. If you have 323, 325, 330 guys, the procedure should apply to that. If you have other engines, it can be helpful video as well, because very often that sensor will be in a similar location. We'll explain where it's located now and how to replace it. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make even more. On 3 Series, we'll have close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do all that? Pretty simple. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you guys. Now, let me show you what we have here. This is the engine. We started taking things apart because we're in the process of making about 200 videos fixing that engine. If you have N51, 2, 3 engine guys, we have quite helpful information. Also, we have another channel that's going really good guys, and you can find engine codes, diagnostics, relays and fuses for that BMW there as well, so please subscribe. Quite helpful information will be shared there that can save you thousands of dollars. So you don't need to take anything apart pretty much, but on the 3 Series you may need to remove the cowl piece to get to the map sensor. If you want to see the video, we have it on the channel. Check it out. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Also, we'll make a video how to test map sensor very soon as well. So, looking at the intake manifold, this is your engine guys. If you look at the intake manifold, you come right here, okay, and this device on the intake manifold, it's your map sensor guys, okay. I want to show you, okay, like that as well. This is, okay, your map sensor. So, how we need to remove and replace that thing? We need to get a Torx 25 star looking bit. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. I need to focus quick, just like that one here. And we need to guys disconnect the wiring harness first, push down, okay, and pull straight out. There is one clip that you push down on the back side, wiggle it a little bit, okay, it gets a little bit stuck. Okay, there is a rubber seal that's getting stuck, perfect, and disconnect it. Don't push too much pressure up and down because you can break it and you can break the intake manifold. Go ahead and remove the 2 screws now. Just you have to be extremely careful not to drop anything in the manifold, intake manifold, and don't lose your screws, because if you do, you have to replace them. Perfect. If you need new parts, new tools, new sensor, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. This is it. Second screw now coming out. Awesome. Now it has one O-ring that prevents vacuum leak guys, to make sure that the system is closed and not leaking air, so it may be a little bit stuck. Move it a little bit, okay. We're going to put a piece of rack, something there, so it doesn't, nothing drops in the intake manifold. But this is your map sensor. We'll make a video how to test those as well. It's not too complicated guys, video will be coming soon. But putting it together, practically it's in reverse order. We took it apart. If you need help with anything else, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.